What do I do? Free games. Tough one. I'm gonna go with this. Try this. Oh no, I want it in the middle. Not at the. Alright, let's see what we do here. Nickel denomination, by the way. So I start with 100. I got 81. Let's see what happens. Any luck more? That's decent, right? Can I get another one? That's the question. Next time I'm picking the free spins. If I get it. Alright, I'll come back for anything else. Oh, this is, just got a bonus on 5 Dragons Grand, I think it's called. You're gonna get 3 of those symbols. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Jackpot feature 1. Press play to continue. Oh shit, I gotta spin. Alright, let's get something nice here. Let's get something nice. Something nice, please. Come on. I put 100 in, by the way. It's 2-cent denomination. I'm playing $4 a spin. 5 extra free games. Okay. How many did I get before? Oh. Oh, like that. So you know what? I'm going to go with 13. 13 free games, all wild wins, times 8, times 10, times 15, press play to start. Let's do it. It's hard to catch all this, and this chair doesn't move back. It's locked in with the game. I'll speed it up. Nothing. Nothing. Oh boy. Is that good? Oh, sensational. That's not good, that's sensational. 32 times 2, that's 64, and it's double pennies. So that's 128. Is that right? Yeah. 28. 6 of 13. A waste of a wild there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Is that sensational too? Let me see. Unbelievable, it says. Oh, 60 times 4. So that's 240, so that's 480 bucks? No. That can't be right. Let's try it. Yes. That is right. Woo, that's a nice bonus. One more spin. This is the last spin. Make it nice. Times 10. Okay. Hey, I put $100 in. I was down to $27.50. And look at that. Now I got over 700. That's beautiful. I love it when that happens. All right, I'll play it down to 7. Right, so I'm putting the dollar as the least, so that's $2. So let's see what happens on this. It's hard to catch all this. Oh, you beauty. $1 times 18, so that's $36. Ooh, 742. Dare I keep going? One more. And I'm done. It's game over. Hey, you're right. Cash out. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. This is... Okay. Shut up already. Yeah, this is called Five Dragons Grand. It's a tall game too. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, playing a little bit of Fortunes 3. 88 Fortunes. 100 in, 5-cent denomination. I'm almost broke. Almost not broke, almost out of money. Let's try and get the mini. And these are progressives. Let's try to get that mini. What a surprise. What a surprise. Alright. What a surprise. Mini? No way. Hey, look. It's better than that than hitting nothing, right? Alright, I'll come back if I hit anything nice. Okay, I put 200 in. 10-cent denomination, $4 spin, and these are the progressives. Just landed the ball bonus, the pearl, so let me get the screen in right. Let's do it. Come on, no more 5. And that's all you're gonna give me, I'll take it, but give me a wording. Come on. Some words, please. Come on. I'll take the grand, 163,000. Holy shit. You see it up there? 163,000. I'll take that. Come on, with the zoom in. Come on, give me it. Alright. Okay, I put 200 in, I got 241. Let's keep it going. Let's see if there's any more in there. Let's play a couple of live spins and then we'll wait. I guess we'll come back if we get anything. 2 more live. 1, 2. Okay, I'll be back if I get anything. Alright, this is a bonus on 20-cent denomination. So 50, so $10 a spin. These are the majors. You know what? This is a tough one. You know, you can get the bonus in the bonus, but I'm not feeling it. Piggy bank. Extra one. Come on, baby. Don't make me regret my decision. Oh, nice. Okay, now fill in those gaps. Thank you. Oh boy. 2 more spins. Any one of them. Come on. Any one of them. Ah, you suck. $10, $10. Here we go. It's the mini. This is probably the best one. That's 100. Let's go. Can you do better than 50? I mean 100, 500? Can you do better than that? No, you can't. You stinker. What is that? 160, 70, 80, 90, 200. Plus whatever I hit for the line. I think I should have picked the free games. Well, next time that's what I'm picking if I get it. I was hoping, no, coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? You can always second guess things. Alright, I'll come back if I get anything. Well, just got it again like 4 spins later. Same thing. Meaning 1 extra. 7 instead of 6. Alright, now do better next time, please. Come on. That's nice. Alright. Okay, that's a bigger one. Come on. And 1. 3 spins. 3 spins, land something. Oh, nice. Oh, I like it. 2 spins to go. Come on, baby, land something. Last spin. Right there. Just 1 right there, right in front of that guy's face. Come on. Ah. Alright, I think I got a chance at a minor, which is 1,000. That'd be nice. Alright, let's see, guys. Cross your fingers when you're watching this. Come on, cross your fingers. I don't even see a minor. Oh, you got to fill the whole thing up for the grand.
I heard the girl got them. That was your last time you got find out.
It's nice. So what did that pay? 350, 380, 390. 390. Alright, let's play a couple more live spins. It seems like it's being a little friendly. And also, I don't know how many bonuses can you expect, right? I got 2 so far in a short time. Oh, I just saw it go by. You can see the tip of it right there. Ah, you stinker. Alright. Alright, I'll come back if I get anything. This time, change it down to 10 cents, and I got it into 10 cents. And you know what? This time I'm going with the 10 free games. You can get the bonus in a bonus. It's not common, but you can. See? Seven spins to go. Come on. Terrible. Bad choice. Bad choice. Yep, bad choice. Well, I don't know. I mean, would it have paid the crap too with the other one? Who knows? couple of live, and then we'll turn it off and wait. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, here it goes. I went down to 10 cents again. I went up to 20, back down to 10. We have the progressives again. Alright, enough's enough now. No more games. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, no more games. Come on. No more games now. Thank you. Okay, give me that one in the bottom left. No, your other left. Okay, now either one. I don't care. Give me one more of those. Shit. Now I don't understand why I can't get a minor for that. I know I can't get a major, but come on. Alright, I guess 250, 65, 275. I'm going to enjoy this for a minute. Couple more live spins. You know, actually, I'm kind of tired of this game already. I'm going to play 2 more after this. Hopefully not, but last spin. That's it. Collect. Yes. Cashing out. Hey everybody. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I appreciate it. Leave a comment. I do read them and I do answer them back.